Well, a few weeks ago, we told you that there were more than 3,600 cases of Lyme disease in Maine last year, and that was the third year in a row that set a new record.
Now we're learning that a new preventive injection could help bring those numbers down in the future. The shot is not a vaccine. Instead, it puts an anti-Lyme antibody straight into the patient's bloodstream. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has more.
Tick season in Maine gets worse every year, and Lyme disease cases keep rising. Researchers at UMass Chan Medical School say they are making progress on a possible solution. UMass Chan is working with Tonix Pharmaceuticals to develop an antibody shot called TNX 4800. Instead of having the body create its own antibodies, as a vaccine does, this shot delivers an anti-Lyme antibody directly into the bloodstream.
So when the tick sucks the blood of its victim, it sucks the antibody along with it.
Seth Letterman is the CEO of Tonix, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. He says studies show the antibody prevents Lyme-causing bacteria and ticks from entering a person's bloodstream. The shot starts working within 1 to 2 days and can protect someone for up to 1 year.
We believe that one administration in the spring can protect someone into October and November, which is the extent of the tick season in the North America, continental United States.
Lead researcher Dr. Mark Klempner and his team identified the best antibody to stop bacteria in the tick's gut, first testing it in mice and then in non-human primates. At the right dose, it prevented the animals from developing Lyme disease.
And showed that this antibody could protect animals from infection by Lyme-infected ticks.
More than 2 decades ago, John Cole was bitten by a tick, which led to Lyme disease and health problems. He owns Northwoods Tick Control, treating properties for ticks and teaching homeowners how to keep their families safe. Working outdoors, though, increases his risk of being reinfected with Lyme.
But again, I'm high risk. So for me, I think it's kind of a no-brainer, to be honest.
He is encouraged to see a greater sense of urgency when offering patients more options to protect themselves against Lyme disease.
I definitely will be considering it and talking to my primary care physician about it.
The next steps are phase 2 and 3 clinical trials. These will involve more people, test how well the shot works, and keep checking for safety, and could get underway in 2027. Like a flu shot, the hope is that patients can get an annual antibody shot at a doctor's office, walk-in clinics, and local pharmacies. Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
If approved by the Food and Drug Administration, the Lyme antibody shot could be rolled out for patients sometime in 2029.